Hi, I'm Elaine Stewart, Marketing Director of Longthorne Gunmakers. We're based in Northampton in the United Kingdom, and we manufacture shotguns which are a little bit unique. The most unique feature are our barrels, which are fully machined out of a solid block of steel or titanium. We started making these in 2010 after having spent 6 years designing them, and we're a family company. We have my husband who designs and I do the marketing, and my daughter does all our engraving designs. We are unique in another way in that we manufacture every single part of our guns in-house. So the barrels, which are fully machined out of steel, plus all the small parts that go into the guns. We do our own engraving, and we also do our own stocking. We do our own gun fits, so we're totally in control of what we do, which means it's easy to get spare parts. The nice thing about our guns is that they are very low recoil. Because we machine our barrels, we can make them very close together, which means that we can make the receiver very low profile. And as such, all the energy when you shoot it goes back in a linear direction, so it goes into your shoulder rather than flipping up and down. We have a selection of side-plated trigger plates, non-side-plated trigger plates, and we also do a true side lock. True side locks are obviously higher end of the range and they take longer to make, but the trigger plates take about 4 months to make, depending on what we have in stock. If you want to know more about Longthorne, contact us at sales@longthorneguns.com.